This is the BBC Microbit. It's a deceptively powerful little machine, and you'll be given one free when you go to secondary school. In the meantime, you can play around before you even have one. Go to this site, www.microbit.co.uk, and click on Create Code. That produces this screen, titled Choose Your Editor and Start Coding. In the Microsoft Block Editor, click on New Project. This screen appears. The first thing to do is to change this title at the top to your program. I'm going to call this My First Program. Over here on the left hand side are elements that might look a little familiar. They look a little bit like Scratch. We're going to write a very quick program and run it on the screen. We can select from the input option on button A pressed. We'll have two of those, and change the second one to B. And then by selecting Basic, we can pull out Show String. We'll have two copies of that. And change what is written inside. One to No Fun, and the second to It's a Coach. This is all we really need to write a program. Now we just need to test it. On the right hand side here is a BBC Microbit. We're going to run this program on the screen. The Microbit has two buttons on the front, one labelled A here and the other B here. They will run the program when they are pressed. So, head up to the top left hand side and press the Run button. If we now move the mouse pointer over button A and click, we see No Fun. Go over and click button B. This is a really simple way of logging into a website, writing a program, and checking that it runs on the screen before you ever have to use a real microbit. Running a program on the screen this way without actually having a microbit is called emulation. Now, if you do have a real microbit, head up to this button here and click Compile. The site will then compile the code and download it to your machine. Once it's downloaded, plug in your microbit. The microbit here appears on the left-hand side. All you need to do is to drag the program that's been downloaded over the microbit. The program is then copied across onto the microbit. A yellow light on the back of the microbit flashes. So let's see how this works. Press button A on the left. And press button B on the right. This is probably one of the simplest demonstrations of how the microbit works.